All right, so I was doing a fuel filter on the 200 Avant, and this pipe that goes from here to here, the banjo fitting snapped off. It had some really soft, like copper solder or something in there, so I had to cut it off there, and I'm going to attempt to weld it back on. I'll show you what I've got going here. All right, so here's the piece that we are going to try and TIG weld back on there. It's just, as you can see, I got it cleaned up pretty good. And I'm going to weld it on DC, so it appears to be steel. And I don't know if this is going to work or not, but give it a try. I've got some silicon bronze rod, and I'm just going to pedal feed it and try not to melt everything. Otherwise, we might have to go a different route here. All right, I don't know what happened to the video there. I had my camera set up on the tripod with the remote, and it did not record me welding for some reason, but you get the gist of it anyway. All right, so I think I actually got it. We'll see if it holds. See if I can zoom in on that. It's not the prettiest thing, but this silicon bronze works pretty well to, it's almost just like soldering. So it flows really good and kind of bonds dissimilar metals. I'm not sure, this stuff had kind of like a copper tinge to it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back together and put a brass union on that part that I had to cut, and might save me some wonky plumbing job on this fuel filter here. All right, I'm just using a brass regular compression fitting here. You just gotta remember to put this back over the correct side and slide this on and file the pipe down really good. So put this on. This has this like coating on here that's kind of keeps this from getting on there smooth, but just gotta kind of force it on there. Seems like that. It's not really a lip on this one, so you want these to slide on nice and smooth. And then there we go. This side started. You want to make sure that that goes in at least part of the way into there. Slide that up. And then it's kind of hard to do one-handed, but I'll zoom out here and show you what I got. So I'm just going to leave those loose. This is bent, so I'm going to put the camera down and be right back. All right, so this lined up really well. Got the banjo fitting there. This is all in place. That's not resting on the fitting there. So we'll just tighten these up and check for leaks. All right, just going back together. The mistake I made pulling this apart, put some vice grips on this, because if this fuel filter rotates, I think that's what caused my issue there. So had to put the camera down there to tighten that, but anyway, if you do try to put a wrench on this steel fitting on there, it'll just mush that up really bad. So I'm gonna turn it on and leak check everything, but looks like it's should be good to go. Thanks for watching.